There's been 16 complaints already to the Sanford
What's funny
police,
is-
not by me.
No,
He's not mentally ill at all.
no, but he's autistic.
No, he's not. According to Officer Locher, he's not autistic. He's screaming at the top of his lungs. He has 16 complaints and 2 assault charges already. He's actually violent as well with his bike lock. All true statements from the Sanford police. I don't work for law enforcement.
I live here
I
on the water.
believe you.